Today our topic is absolute value. In this we will learn about the absolute value of a number.
But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel and press the bell icon to get the future notifications. Okay, let's get started.
So first thing is, what is absolute value of a number? Absolute value of a number is its distance from 0. If you see the number line, left side we have negative numbers, right side we have positive numbers. So either the number is negative or positive, we don't see the sign. We just see how far it is from 0. So suppose we have negative 3 and 3. If you need to get the absolute value of negative 3, we don't need to count that it's negative 3 from 0. You just check from 0 how far, how many units it's from 0. So it's 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 units. So you will say only 3. Or if you ask about 3, so it's again 1, 2 and 3 units. So you can say either negative 3 absolute value or 3 absolute value will be 3. So you can say the absolute value is always positive. And we indicate absolute value by putting 2 bars around the number like this. Sometimes the question is like this. There is an operation between the absolute value. So first thing, we need to solve the operation between the absolute value bars. So it will be 2 and then get the absolute value of 2, that is 2. So first you concentrate on the operation. Suppose you have 6 and you have a negative sign outside the absolute value brackets. So first thing, the absolute value of 6 will be 6 and you put the negative sign as it was available outside. If you have absolute value of negative 16 and there is a negative sign outside, it means negative 16's absolute value will be 16 and then negative means just put the negative. Sometimes it's given a number and absolute value bar. So what does this indicate? It indicates that this number is in multiplication. So you can say 2 times absolute value of negative 4 is 4. So the answer would be 8. So the absolute value means always try to solve the absolute value bracket first before solving any other thing. Let's do one more example. If you have 1.5, the absolute value will be 1.5 only. If you have negative 65, the absolute value of 65 will be 65 and negative is outside, so it will remain the same. Negative 9. So absolute value of negative 9 will be 9 and the negative outside will be there. So we need to confirm that absolute value we need to take out first and then check the other operations associated with the absolute value.
Bye for now.